Let's be real. Surviving student life without going broke feels like a full-time job. Between textbooks that cost more than your rent, ramen-fueled all-nighters, and the rising cost of literally everything, making extra cash isn't just helpful, it's survival 101. But here's the plot twist. Making money on the side doesn't have to mean selling your soul to the campus dining hall or joining a suspicious crypto MLM your roommate swears by. So today, we're diving into 7 realistic side hustles students are actually doing. No sketchy guru vibes, no lottery ticket dreams, just smart, doable ways to turn time, talent, or a little bit of hustle into cold, hard cash. Ready? Let's roll! Number 1. Script writing and research for YouTubers. So you're good at digging into random rabbit holes on the internet? Perfect. Welcome to the content creator economy, where your curiosity and writing skills can literally pay off. With millions of YouTubers cranking out content like machines, someone's got to help feed the beast. That's where you come in. Researching topics, writing scripts, or structuring outlines for creators who are too busy editing videos or battling the YouTube algorithm to do it themselves. It's kind of like being the ghostwriter for your favorite storyteller. Minus the fame, plus the Venmo payments. Most creators hang out on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even Reddit. But the real wins come when you DM smaller creators directly with actual value, like, "Hey, I wrote a 60-second hook for your next finance video. Want more?" That kind of initiative stands out in a crowded inbox and gets you gigs faster than waiting around for job posts. With some experience, you can charge $25 to $60 per hour. More if you niche down and really understand platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or long-form storytelling on YouTube. Creators pay for speed, relevance, and creativity. If you've got those, you're golden. The best part? You'll accidentally become an expert in stuff you never expected. Writing for a productivity channel? Boom! You're suddenly optimizing your morning routine. Helping a finance creator? Now, you know more about Roth IRAs than your econ professor. It's flexible, remote, and scalable. Whether you're looking for beer money or building a portfolio, content writing for creators is one of the most underrated and fun side hustles out there. Number 2. Mobile detailing. If cleaning a car sounds like the worst thing ever, hear us out. Mobile detailing isn't just about scrubbing mud off tires. It's about turning someone's dusty ride into a shiny, Instagram-worthy glow-up. And get this. It's one of the most profitable low-cost hustles out there, especially for students or anyone wanting to earn extra cash without flipping burgers. Why is it so good? Because nobody wants to do it themselves. Especially not Uber drivers, soccer moms, or busy professionals who would rather pay someone else to make their Tesla look brand new while they sip overpriced espresso at Starbucks. It's not laziness, it's convenience. And you're the solution. All you need is some elbow grease, a vacuum, even a cheap one, a bucket of detailing supplies from Amazon, and the ability to show up on time. No experience, no certification, no degree. Just hustle and reliability. Which, by the way, is more valuable in this game than a 4.0 GPA. Marketing. Super easy. Post on Facebook Marketplace, Nextgen, local student forums, or even pin a flyer at your college rec center. Target electric vehicle owners, student athletes, or rideshare drivers who need to keep their cars spotless for passengers and reputation. And the pay? Most jobs range from $40 to $100 each. Many take less than an hour. Knock out just a few per week, and you're looking at $500 to $1,000 plus a month. That's real money. Not just fun money, but serious budget for savings, investing, or covering bills. It's one of the easiest ways to learn business basics, build a side income, and get your hands a little dirty in exchange for some very clean profits. Number 3. Tutoring and teaching. Look, we all know someone who got an A+ in calculus but couldn't explain it without triggering a migraine. If you're not that person, congrats. You might be the perfect fit for tutoring. Whether it's high school algebra, first-year bio, or niche stuff like coding, languages, or even AI tools, there's always someone out there who's stuck and willing to pay to pick your brain. You don't need to be a PhD, just someone who can explain things clearly and patiently. Sometimes, being just a few steps ahead of your student is more relatable than having years of experience. Platforms like Preply, Wisent, and SuperProf make it incredibly easy to find clients, set your own rates, and build a flexible schedule. But don't sleep on social media. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are where some of the top tutors are going viral. Post a quick 30-second explainer on a tricky concept, and suddenly you've built credibility with thousands of viewers. That kind of trust leads directly to bookings. As for money, online tutoring pays surprisingly well. Expect $20 to $50 an hour depending on your subject and experience. If you're teaching something high demand, like Python, data analysis, ChatGPT prompts, or academic writing, you can comfortably charge $75 an hour or more. And once you have a few happy students, referrals and repeat sessions come easy. And here's the best part. You're literally getting paid to master subjects you already need for your own classes or career goals. It's like turning your study time into a money-making machine. Call it academic capitalism, intellectual freelancing, whatever. The point is, you're monetizing your brain, and in today's economy, that's a smart hustle. Number 4, dog walking, house sitting, and pet boarding. You know what's better than a boss? A golden retriever that pays you to hang out with it. Kind of. Pet services are a classic side hustle for a reason. They're flexible, low stress, and require zero previous experience, just responsibility and a good leash. Apps like Rover and Wag make it stupidly easy to get started, and in college towns, there's no shortage of busy pet parents who'd rather pay someone trustworthy than leave their fur babies alone. You can do solo walks, $15 to $30 per walk. Drop-in visits, $20 to $40. Or even offer overnight sitting or boarding, $50 to $100 per night. Multiply that by a weekend or holiday break, and you're making real money doing what's basically paid chill time with a dog. Pro tip: add a personal touch, little photo updates, doggy report cards, whatever. People pay for peace of mind as much as pet care. Halfway there, quick pause. If you're vibing with these ideas, hit pause and do yourself a favor. Subscribe to Nextgen Bankroll. We drop practical, real-world finance content that's made for students, dreamers, and anyone trying to build a bag without selling out. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, and none of it should be considered professional or financial advice. We're not your lawyer, your CPA, or your mom, unless your mom is watching this. Hi, Mom. But we are your shortcut to smarter money moves, so stick around. Number 5, photography and videography. If you've got an eye for framing a shot, a half-decent phone camera, or a dusty DSLR from high school, congrats, you're already halfway to monetizing a skill that's exploding in demand. Thanks to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and every startup trying to build a brand, the need for affordable content creators is off the charts. Student orgs need flyers, local businesses need promo videos, influencers need thumbnails, and your friends' GarageBand, they need literally everything, from cover art to TikToks to behind-the-scenes footage. The catch? You've got to package yourself as more than just a person with a camera. You need to become a solution, a brand whisperer, the person who gets the job done. When someone says, "We need a clean 30-second promo for our coffee pop-up this weekend," you say less, I've got you. Start small. Reach out to student clubs, small cafes, or local creators. Offer free shoots for your first few clients in exchange for testimonials, shoutouts, or portfolio content. Don't overthink it. Just start building. As your skills grow and your name spreads, begin raising your rates. Develop a slick portfolio. Use Instagram as your gallery. Post behind-the-scenes reels. Share before and afters. Turn your hustle into a brand. And yes, the money's real. Beginner rates hover around $25 to $50 an hour, but once you're confident and consistent, $75 to $150 per hour is totally doable. Covering events like birthdays or community festivals, expect $300 to $600 for just a few hours of work, especially if you can deliver fast, edited content. In short, the content economy is booming, and there's room for you, especially if you show up like a pro. Number 6, handy person hustle. If you know which side of a screwdriver to hold, you might already be more qualified than half the population. Seriously, basic handyman skills are in high demand, especially on college campuses or in apartment buildings where people are constantly moving in, moving out, or rearranging their lives. There's always someone nearby who needs help fixing, building, or unboxing something. IKEA furniture is practically designed to test your patience. Curtain rods and wall shelves feel like advanced engineering when you're renting. Dorm move-in madness? A nightmare unless someone shows up with a toolkit and some common sense. Mounting TVs, tightening wobbly desks, fixing that door that won't close all the way. You're not just helping, you're saving the day. Start small. Offer your services to your dorm mates, your RA, the building's Facebook group, or even post on Craigslist or Nextdoor. Just say what you do, keep it casual, and be reliable. Show up on time, have a basic toolkit, and don't promise things you can't do. You'll become the go-to fix-it person faster than you think. The money's solid too, anywhere from $20 to $60 an hour, depending on what you're tackling. Move-in and move-out seasons, absolute gold mines, winter break, summer, or graduation time. Cha-ching. And if you're chill and helpful, people will start recommending you. That's when the real magic happens. Steady work, cash tips, and you're no longer doom scrolling. Indeed wondering if you're a culture fit. You're just doing good work and getting paid for it. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about solving small problems, one Allen key at a time. Number 7, AI prompt engineering and chatbot customization. Okay, this one sounds fancy, but it's way more beginner-friendly than it looks. If you've ever played around with ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion AI, or even just asked Siri a weird question for fun, you're already ahead of the curve. Seriously, you're not starting from scratch. You've already dipped your toes into the world of AI. The next step, learn how to ask better questions, aka write better prompts. That's the real skill behind using AI tools effectively. The better the prompt, the better the output. And here's where things get interesting. Small businesses, content creators, coaches, and even overwhelmed students are all trying to use AI tools. But most of them don't really know how. They fumble with vague commands and get frustrated when the results don't match their expectations. That's where you come in. You can help people save time and money by building reusable prompt templates, automating their repetitive tasks, or even setting up customized AI chatbots for their websites or workflows. It's not rocket science. It's problem solving. And here's the wild part. Even if you're a total beginner, people are charging $30 to $75 per hour for this kind of work. And once you niche down, say, 5 killer prompts for real estate agents or Notion dashboards for ADHD students, you can package that into a product, sell it on autopilot, and boom, passive income. You're not just freelancing, you're building a skill that will matter more and more as AI keeps evolving. This is about future-proofing your income, creating leverage, and doing smarter work, not harder work. And that's exactly what Nextgen Bankroll is all about. Let's wrap it up. If you've made it this far, you already get it. Making money in college isn't just possible, it's a winnable game if you play smart. These side hustles aren't just ideas, they're launchpads. Each one helps you earn, grow skills, and unlock opportunities most students miss. Every hustle is a skill tree. Start small, level up, and gain income leverage, and confidence. That's the real goal. Not just money, but freedom. Freedom to ditch crappy jobs. Freedom to invest early. Freedom to explore what you really want. And freedom to stop stressing over every $4 coffee. Your mission. Pick one hustle. Try it this week. Post it. DM people. Take messy action. No one's judging. Amateurs become pros by starting. Mess up? Good. That's progress most people never make. If this video sparks something, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop your hustle pick in the comments, or flex if you've already started. Share this with someone who keeps saying, "I need cash," but never moves. At Nextgen Bankroll, we're building a tribe of young hustlers and future millionaires, one smart move at a time. You in? See you in the next one. Peace!